This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Ryan Williams. This home has it all. Recently installed engineered wood floors. Granite counters. The yard is meticulous and the landscaping is beautiful. Living room is so open and spacious. A patio door leads outside to the large, fenced-in backyard, making this home perfect for entertaining friends and family. Bedrooms are oversized and offer ample storage. You don't want to miss out on this gem. For more information, review the details below or contact Ryan Williams at 580-237-6200.